MHB, Modern Home Products. Introducing the Deck, Patio Base, MPB, assembly video. Before you begin the installation, please make sure to read the assembly manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. The appliance is for outdoor use only. For assembly support, please give us a call at 888-647-4745 or visit us online at mhpgrills.com. The following parts are included with your assembly. Please check to be sure that all parts are included before proceeding. The following tools are recommended for this assembly. The following additional items are not provided, and are required for this installation: a 3/8-inch flare coupling, and anchor bolts. Use the appropriate lag or anchors bolts for your floor application. Please check your existing gas line connection for the appropriate gas line connection. Step 1, Deck, Patio, Mounting Assembly. Begin step 1 by selecting an area where you are going to install your grill post. Make sure your main gas supply is turned off before starting the assembly, that there is enough room, and that you have a flat surface. The appliance is for outdoor use only. Make sure to locate an area to install your grill that provides a clearance of at least 18 inches from any combustible object or surface, back, front, left, and right when the grill head is mounted. Next, locate the patio base, part GGAPB. Turn the base on edge, and insert the 2 feet, aluminum grill post, part GGP2. Align the notches in the post with the notches in the base. Make sure the notch in the post is facing towards the front of the grill. Slowly inset the post into place. Close tolerances may require you to tap the top of the post to seat it completely into the base socket, which will help to align the bolt slots. Fasten the post to the base with 4 1/4 inch by 20 by 3/4 of an inch hex bolts.